The total area of the given shape is 100 square centimeters, and we need to derive the formula for the perimeter of the shape. From the figure, the total area of the shape is the sum of the area of a quarter circle and the area of two congruent rectangles. The area of the quarter circle is 1/4 pi r squared, and the area of each rectangle is rx. Rearranging the equation, we get 2x equals 100 over r minus pi r over 4. The perimeter includes the arc length of the quarter circle, 4 shorter sides, and 2 longer sides of the rectangles. The arc length is 1/4 times 2 pi r. Since 2x equals 100 over r minus pi r over 4, 4x equals 200 over r minus pi r over 2. Simplifying this expression, we find that p equals 200 over r plus 2r. Next, we need to determine the value of r to minimize the perimeter. First, differentiate p with respect to r, which gives negative 200 over r squared plus 2. At the critical values, the derivative equals 0. Solving this equation, the value of r is 10. To confirm that this critical value corresponds to a minimum, we evaluate the second derivative of p with respect to r at r equals 10. The calculation gives 0.4. Since the second derivative is positive, r equals 10 gives the minimum value of p. To find the minimum value of p, substitute r equals 10 into the formula for p. Solving the expression, we find that p equals 40 centimeters, which is the minimum value of the perimeter.